And this video will show you how to add your custom GoDaddy domain to your card website. First of all, you need to open the card dashboard and find your website. Then click this gear button right here. Then you need to look at the left-hand side menu and go to the site. Right here, when you scroll down, you will see this option, publish to a custom domain, but unfortunately, you need to have Pro plan to use this feature. But the good news is that if you have got the new account on card, you can use 7 days free trial. So let's begin. Click on publish to a custom domain. Then we need to write our domain name right here. I don't remember my domain, so I will go to the GoDaddy. Let's go to my products, then domain, and here is my domain name. I will copy it and paste right here. So as you can see, my domain is available to connect to card. Now we need to add these two records, A record and CNAME record, to our domain. So guys, now we need to go to the GoDaddy dashboard, then click on domains in the left hand side menu, find our domain name and go to the DNS. And right here, you will see your domain name servers. You just need to click add new record. First, let's begin with A record. So host is at, and we have got this target right here. So let's copy this target. Just click on it and it will be copied automatically. Now let's go back to GoDaddy, choose type, in this case A, then target at, right at, copy the value from here and paste it, and then click the save button. So we successfully added the A record. Now we need to add the CNAME record. So host is www and target is our website name. So let's create a new record, choose CNAME. In the name, we need to write www, and in the value, we need to write our website name and click save. So as you can see, we added both records, A and CNAME. Now we can go back to the card and click on save changes. So we successfully saved our changes, and now we need to wait from few minutes to 48 hours and our domain will be connected to the card website. Usually this process will take around 20 minutes, so you don't need to wait 48 hours, but maximum time is 48 hours. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.